Good morning, students. Welcome to the session of virtual classes. How are you? I hope you all are fit and fine and studying well. Students, I am Renu Tyagi, your computer teacher, going to continue lesson number 5, inserting tables in MS Word. Students, our today's topic is line style and line weight. Today I will explain you how to change the line style and line weight under this topic. Line style is used to change the line design, whereas line weight is used to change the thickness of the line. Thickness means इसकी मोटाई change करने के लिए line की. ठीक है? So steps 2. Change the line style and line weight are first of all we have to select the entire table. Entire means पूरी table. How will you select the entire table? You have to click on move handle. Okay, I have shown you move handle in previous videos. Select the entire table with the help of and then go to the design tab. It is available on the tab bar, and from the design tab you have to select the line style and line weight option in the table style group. Means inside the design tab search the table style group. Table style group. Now you have to click on line style and line weight option. Select line style and line weight option. As you click on these options, you get the list of line styles and line weight. From the appeared list, you have to select the line style and line weight. Select the line style and line weight from the appeared list. Okay, it will be applied as you click on your table. See in your book, these are the steps. But first of all, select the entire table. Suppose we have to apply the line weight and design on this table. So first of all, we have to select it by using the move handle. This is the move handle. With the help of this, you can select the what? Table. Right? And then go to the design tab. And then there select the line, you have to select their table style group. In the table style group there are these options, line style and line weight. As you click both the options, you get these two lists. From this list you can change the line design, and this list can be used to change the thickness of the line. Next topic is styles of tables. styles of tables. Students, these are the ready-made designs of the tables. These are the ready-made डिज़ाइंस ऑफ द टेबल. कुछ बने बनाए डिज़ाइन है टेबल्स की जिनमें कलर कॉम्बिनेशंस बॉर्डर्स वो पहले से डिसाइडेड है. ओके, नाउ स्टेप्स टू इंसर्ट द टेबल स्टाइल. Steps to insert the table styles are: first we have to go to the insert tab to insert the table. Means first of all make the table. Insert the table using the insert tab. And then go to the design tab. जब आप टेबल इंसर्ट करेंगे मीन्स टेबल बना लेंगे, जैसे ही आप टेबल ड्रॉ करके हटेंगे ये डिज़ाइन टैब बार पर अपने आप ओपन हो जाता है. ठीक है, आपको ये क्लिक करना है. नाउ गो टू द टेबल स्टाइल्स ग्रुप. In this group you have to click on more option. Where you have to click on more option. As you click on more option you get the some more table designs. Okay, you have to select any one design from there. Select any one design from there. Okay, as you select the design it will appear on your table. Now see in your book how will you do this work. The steps are very simple, just you have to understand carefully. Students, I told you in first step you have to insert the table. Beta, first of all find out insert tab. This is the insert tab. Click here. Then you get the table option to draw the table. Click here. As you click, this box appear in front of you. From there you have to select the number of rows and number of columns. Okay, as you click in last cell table will be inserted on the screen as we have here. Right, जैसे ये टेबल यहाँ आती है दिस डिज़ाइन टैब विल अपीयर ऑटोमेटिकली. ये डिज़ाइन टैब अपने आप यहाँ आ जाएगा. अगर टेबल स्क्रीन पर नहीं है तो डिज़ाइन टैब आपको यहाँ नहीं मिलेगा. ठीक है, तो आपको डिज़ाइन टैब में क्लिक करना है. नाउ गो टू द स्टाइल ग्रुप. दिस इज़ द स्टाइल ग्रुप. हेयर यू हैव टू क्लिक हेयर. जब आप यहाँ क्लिक करेंगे सम मोर डिज़ाइंस अपीयर्स ऑन द स्क्रीन. फ्रॉम देयर यू हैव टू सेलेक्ट एनी वन डिज़ाइन. जैसे आपको ये डिज़ाइन पसंद है इस पर क्लिक करिए, इट विल अपीयर ऑन द स्क्रीन. आई थिंक स्टेप्स आर क्लियर. बट अगर फिर भी किसी को कोई प्रॉब्लम है यू कैन क्लियर द डाउट्स इन द क्वेरी सेशन. नेक्स्ट टॉपिक इज कन्वर्टिंग टेक्स्ट टू अ टेबल. मीन्स हमारे पास टेक्स्ट है लेकिन टेबल बनी हुई नहीं है और वो टेक्स्ट हम कंप्यूटर में ऑलरेडी एंटर कर चुके हैं. नाउ वी वांट टू ड्रॉ द टेबल फॉर दैट. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी हैव टू एंटर द टेक्स्ट. मीन्स राइट द टेक्स्ट इन द डॉक्यूमेंट एंड देन सेलेक्ट इट. सपोज करो मैंने ये टेक्स्ट लिख लिया है, रोल नंबर maths. Right, here I have written the values. Now what I have to do, I have to select this. After selecting, click on insert tab. and there is a table button which you have to select. Select the table button. As you click on table button, you get the drop down menu. From that menu, you have to select the convert text to table option. Now select convert text to table. This option you have to select. Okay. As you click on this, convert text to table dialog box appear. Okay. In that dialog box, you have to write number of columns and number of rows. Now, write number of rows and columns in appeared dialog box. And then click on OK बटन. इन्हीं स्टेप्स को अपनी बुक में देखिए ताकि आपको कोई डाउट ना रहे. What you have to do in first step? Enter the text. First of all, you have to write the text, and after it select. See in this figure, text has been written and selected. After it, go to the insert tab. Right. In the insert tab, you have to find the table group. Which group you have to find? You have to find the table button in the insert tab. After finding the table button, you have to click on convert text to टेबल ऑप्शन फ्रॉम द ड्रॉप डाउन मेन्यू. जैसे ही आप टेबल बटन पर क्लिक करेंगे ना, एक मेन्यू ओपन होगा. उस मेन्यू में दो ऑप्शन होंगे. एक होगा कन्वर्ट टेक्स्ट टू टेबल और एक होगा कन्वर्ट टेबल टू टेक्स्ट. तो आपको कन्वर्ट टेक्स्ट टू टेबल ऑप्शन सेलेक्ट करना है. ठीक है, सिलेक्ट कर लिया. डायलॉग बॉक्स आएगा आपके सामने. दिस इज द डायलॉग बॉक्स विच अपीयर्स. Okay, in this dialog box you have to write the number of columns and number of rows. After writing this, you have to click on OK button. Next topic is inserting pictures in a table. What is the use of this option? सपोज करो बेटा हमने एक ऐसी टेबल बनाई है जिसमें हमें उसके साथ पिक्चर्स की भी रिक्वायरमेंट है. फॉर दैट दिस ऑप्शन विल बी यूज्ड. As you have in your book, see here we have written name of item, that is car. It is quantity, 5 cars are there, and image of the car. If we have to do such type of work, for that inserting picture option will be used. So what you have to do this work? You have to click on the cell where you want to insert the picture. Means select the cell where picture has to be inserted. After it, click on the insert tab. Where you have to click? You have to click on insert tab. And then find out the illustration group. In the illustration group, select the picture option. Select the picture option. As we click on select the picture option, we get the insert picture dialog box. Okay, from that dialog box we have to browse and select the picture. Means browse and select the picture from insert picture dialog box. And then click on insert button. Students, these are the steps which you have to follow to insert the picture. Okay, after clicking on insert button, selected picture will appear in the table. This is our today's class, and now what is your homework? Your homework is to write short answer type questions, long answer type questions and MCQs in your notebook. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.